Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving some questions on partial fraction. And before you can be able to tackle any question, you must know the principles guiding each condition. What I mean by condition is, whenever if you see a question, you can be able to detect what principle to apply. Though I will employ you to watch the video on that. Then without wasting our time, let's move into the questions, to solving the questions. The first question we'll be solving today: 4x plus 9 over x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 2. And by partial fraction, we mean as this fraction, this is the general fraction. That give two fractions that when you add both of them, it will give you this one. Then the two fractions, the principle guiding this type of question, that's the denominator is quadratic, the numerator is linear, is a over s plus 1 plus b over s minus 2. If you expand this thing to give you a quadratic equation, so we have the 4x plus 9 over s plus 1 x minus 2 is equal to a s minus 2 plus b s plus 1 s minus 2. As we have already divided. What I mean by that we have already divided is this thing, this denominator. If we divide this one, we are left with s minus 2, so it will times a. That's it. Just not to waste our time. Then we equate both numerators. 4x plus 9 equals to a s minus 2 plus b x plus 1. So we have that 4x plus 9 is equals to ax minus 2a plus bx plus b plus b. So we collect like terms and equate them also. 4x is equal to ax plus bx, as both of them have x attached to it as the coefficient. A is the coefficient of x and 4 is the coefficient of x. Yeah. So we have that 4x is equal to x is common, x, a plus b, x cancel x. 4 is equals to a plus b. These are equation 1. 9 is equal to minus 2a plus b. And from here also, we have that a is equal to 4 minus b. 4 minus b is our a. Then 9 is equal to minus 2, 4 minus b plus b. These are for equation 2. You can call this one equation 2. Then we have that 9 is equals to minus 8 plus 2b plus b. And 9 is equals to minus 8 plus 3b. And this thing is the same as 9 plus 8 equals to 3b, which also implies that 17 is equals to 3b. Then b is equals to 17 over 3. And from here, a is equals to 4 minus 17 over 3. This is the same as 12 minus 17 over 3. And a is equals to minus 5 over 3. So because we are to give the two fractions, sorry, that will give us the general fraction, we have that 4x plus 9 over x plus 1 x minus 2 is the same as, is equal to minus 5 over 3s plus 1 plus b is 17 over 3x minus 2. So this is the answer, 3x minus 2. So we'll move over to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says 3 over x plus 2, 2x minus 1, and the principle is also the same principle with this one, which is equals to a over x plus 2 plus b over 2x minus 1. That's it. So 3 over s plus 2, sorry, should be at the center. 2x minus 1 is equal to a 2x minus 1 plus b s plus 2 all over x plus 2 2x minus 1. The trick you are meant to play here, just a will take this one, b will take this one. That's it. Then we equate 3 is equal to a bracket. Let's open the bracket at once. That's 2ax minus a plus, sorry, 2ax minus a plus bx plus 2b. But we don't have anything with x, so it becomes 0. 0 is equals to 2ax plus bx. Is equals to, s is in common, s is common, 2a plus b. So 0 divided by x is equals to 0. A number 0 divided by a number is 0. 0 divided by a number is 0. Likewise, a number divided by 0 is infinity. A number divided by infinity is 0. 0 divided by 0 is intermediate, and infinity divided by infinity is intermediate. These are, you find all these things, or it's applicable in differentiation and integration, but majorly differentiation, yes. So we get back to our solving. We have that 0 is equal to x bracket 3a plus b. 0 divided by x is 0, so 0 is equal to 2a plus b, and 3 is equal to minus a plus 2b. So we have that a from here now. Oh, okay. Here is equation 1, here is equation 2. So we solve simultaneously. Let's bring this one here as well. 0 is equals to 2a plus b. So let's make a the same so that we can eliminate this elimination method. Then okay, 2 times equation 1, equation 2, sorry, this one is equation 2, this one is equation 1. 2 times equation 2 give us 6 equals to minus 2a plus 4b and 1 times equation 1 equals 0 equals to 2a plus b. 2a plus b. So we have that. Okay, this one plus this one. Okay, let's call this one equation 3 and this one equation 4. This one plus this one. Equation 3 plus equation 4 will give us 6 plus 0, 6, 4, 2, plus minus 2a plus 2a, 0, 4b plus b, 5b. So over 5 over 5, 5, 5. B equals to 6 over 5. This is our b. So we get a. To get a now, we do which one are we using now? Let's use, okay, b, yes. Let's get our a now. We use equation 1. 0 is equal to 2a plus b. It implies that 0 is equal to 2a plus 6 over 5 comes over, it implies that minus 6 over 5 is equals to 2a. Then a, making a subject formula, is equals to minus 6 over 5 divided by 2 over 1, which is equals to minus 6 over 5 times 1 over 2, 3. Then our a is equals to minus 3 over 5. Minus 3 over 5. Our a is equals to minus 3 over 5. Then, as we did this one also, wherever we see a, we put minus 3 over 5. Wherever we see b, we put 6 over 5. Then 3 over x plus 2, 2s minus 1 is equal to a is minus 3 over 5x plus 2 plus our b is 6 over 5. 6 over 5, 2x minus 1. So if you expand this one, and solve this part to give you back this one. So that's what partial fraction is all about. So we'll move over to the next question. Question number 3. And it says 2x plus 7 over 5x. 2s plus 7 over 5x. Okay, I would like you to take note of something that I will show you now. The degrees are the same. This is to the power of 1, and this is as well to the power of 1. Now this one, if you expand, the power is to the power of the first, that's a. The expression a s squared plus bx plus c, that's for quadratic. A as the power of, that's the x attached to a as the power of 2. For this one, the x is to the power of 1. So we divide. And how do we divide? Using our long division method. 5x, 2x plus 7. 5 divided by 2, 2x divided by 5 will give us 2 over 5 times 5x. 2 over 5 times 5x will give us 2x minus 7. So we are left with this is the polynomial. But before I move on, let me show you one thing. when it comes to polynomial, because with the knowledge of polynomial, you can solve this, you can solve any partial fraction, even in differentiation and integration, to be needed majorly in differentiation. So I'll show you that now. So what's that thing I'm talking of? In polynomial, we have just, it's just like what, like the general equation or expression, whichever one. P is equals to Q dot D plus R. P is the polynomial. P equals to polynomial. Q is quotient. D is divisor. R is remainder. So our polynomial here is 2x plus 7, and our quotient here is 2 over 5. Our divisor is 5x, and our remainder is 7. So we get back to this place. Polynomial is 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. Quotient is 2 over 5 times divisor 5x plus remainder 7. So we divide all by the divisor, which is 5x over 5x over 5x over 5x. So this cancels out. So we are left with 2x plus 7 over 5x, which is equal to 2 over 5 plus 7 over 5x. So you see, we have arrived back to our question originally. So we get back to this place. So because nothing on no x, we don't have anything attached to s, so we leave this one, we work on this one. So we have that 7 over 5x is equal to a over 5x. So this thing read line means that a is equal to 7. That's what it means. So just that we are coming back to this thing again. So a becoming 7, we put it back again. That's a becoming 7. Yes, we put it back again, and it will lead us to this one again. So you can as well stop here. 2x plus 7 over 5x is equal to 2 over 5 plus 7 over 5x. So question number 4 now. Question number 4. Question number 4. Which question should we solve now again? Okay, let's go with x raised to power 4 plus 1 over s cubed plus 2x. S cubed plus 2s. So I'd like you to pay attention to this one. See, they are not of the same power. This one is to the power of 4, and this one is to the power of 3. So I'd like you to pay attention very well. So likewise, we divide because both are not of the same power, so we divide. Yeah, so I made a mistake. Should have s. Okay. Plus 2x. Then x raised to power 4 plus 1 x raised to the power 4 plus 1. So this divide this, you have x times x cube, x raised to the power 4, x times x square plus x times 2x, sorry, plus 2x, 2x square. So we minus, we are left with minus plus is minus, minus 2x square plus 1. So we count further because this one is of greater power than this one. So x4 plus 1 over x cube plus 2x will give us x. That's this one. The same method we use here, same principle. So x plus which one now again? Okay, this one. So because it's minus, let's not waste our time. Minus 2x square plus 1 over this one. Okay, x cube plus 2x, x cube plus 2x. So to tackle this other side here, because this one is of the power 2 e of 3. So, but before I say what I want to say, this x cube plus 2x can be written as x squared plus 2. So this is it. So you can rewrite this thing, this minus 2x squared plus 1 over x cube plus 2x. You can write it as minus 2x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. So the principle guiding it is that this thing is that, okay, 2x squared plus 1 over x cube. So this thing is x cube plus 2x equals to a over x. This is the principle guiding this one, as the power of the denominator is greater than the power of the numerator. A over x plus bx plus c over x squared plus 2. A over x plus bx plus c over x squared plus 2. So we solve. So from here, minus 2x squared plus 1 over x cube plus 2x equals to ax squared plus 2 plus ax squared plus 2 plus bx squared. Okay, this thing is just like, okay, let me write it first. X bracket over s. No need of writing separately now. Or if you wish to write separately, you can write, or you can write it this way. Both of them are the same thing. S cube plus 2s. So we have that. Minus 2s squared plus 1 is equals to, let's expand immediately, ax squared plus 2a plus bx squared plus cx, bx squared plus cs, sorry, bx squared plus cx. So take the ones with s squared, minus 2s squared equals to ax squared plus bx squared, minus 2s squared is equal to s squared a plus b. So s squared cancel s squared, minus 2 is equals to a plus b. So 0, because don't have anything attached to x here, So it becomes 0. 0 equals to cx, and 0 is equals to c. So 1 is equals to only 2a. 1 is equals to 2a, and a is equals to half. That's if you divide both sides by 2. So we have c to be 0, a to be half. So to get b, minus 2 is equals to 1 over 2 plus b. So b, therefore, b is equals to minus 2 minus 1 over 2. And that will give us minus 2 minus 1 over 2 will give us minus 5 over 2. As minus 2 over 1. If you subtract, you get minus 5 over 2. So b is equal to minus 5 over 2. That's our b. So from here, where did you start? Okay, from here, minus 2x squared plus 1 over, minus 2x squared plus 1 over s cube plus 2x is equal to, s cube plus 2x equals to a over x, and our a is 1 over 2x, plus our b is minus 5 over 2x squared plus 2 plus our c is 0. So this thing is just like saying this thing alone is equals to minus 5 now. That's 1 over 2x plus minus 5 over 2x squared plus 2, which is the same thing as 1 over 2x minus 5 over 2 brackets x squared plus 2, all in brackets. Sorry for that, please. Let me write it here very well. 1 over 2x minus 5 over 2 x squared plus 2. So this is the, but from our original equation, we have that original fraction, we have that s raised power 4 plus 1 over s raised power 3 plus 2x is equals to x initial, this x here, plus this one. So we add x to it. So finally, x raised power 4 plus 1 over x raised power 3 plus 2x is equals to x, this x here, we have minus this thing. So it will give us plus 1 over 2, because we solved together with this minus here. So we now add plus, we now use plus 1 over 2x minus 5 over 2 s squared plus 2 x squared, 2 brackets s squared plus 2. So this is our final answer. If you add this thing, you sum up these three things together to give you this one. So this is our final answer for this question. So we're able to solve 4 questions. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the answer to the first one. This is 3 bracket x minus 2. Sorry for the way I ruled the line. This is the second question, this is the answer. This is the third question, and this is the answer. This is the answer here. This is the fourth question, this is the solution to it, and this is the answer here. This thing here, I wrote it here. It's the same thing here. It's because of this extreme. So it's the same thing here. 2 brackets s squared plus 2. So this is the first part of some solutions as pertaining to partial fraction. I will, to avoid the video being long, I will upload more concerning some questions, also solved questions based on partial fraction. Thank you for your patience in watching. And I also implore you to like and hit the subscription button to get more notifications whenever more videos are to get a notification whenever more videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching. Thank you.